Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to add bank account in truelancer. If you want to withdraw money to your bank account, you have multiple payment methods on truelancer, and the way to the way to withdraw money from truelancer, you have in the truelancer website. You can just go ahead to truelancer account and select the payments from the drop down menu on the upper right corner, and then if you have already added a payment or payout method information, skip to step 3. Otherwise, add your payout method information by clicking payment methods and on the left menu. To know how to add payment method, just go ahead. There's a whole other tutorial for that, and then click on the payouts on the top left menu, and then click create a request and select the withdraw option. Enter the amount that you would like to withdraw, and then hit the send button. And then Indian users will see only bank transfer, and if international users will see an options of PayPal and Pioneer account and Pioneer GBT or global bank transfer. All right. And truelancer will process your withdrawal request within 2 days after you have made one, and then you will receive email notification once they have processed your withdrawal request. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.